Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: while loop in Python program, which is a looping control structure. So first of all, what is this looping control structure? So coming to control structure, control means condition, structure means an indented block of code. So coming to the definition, executing an indented block of code based on a condition is called control structure. And coming to the looping control structure, they execute an indented block of code 0 or more times or multiple times. And the advantage is code reusability, and we can traverse over a collection of elements using a loop. So now coming to while loop. So while loop executes an indented block of code based on a condition true or false. So true means execute the block of code n number of times, and if it is false, it will come out of the looping control structure. Okay, so true execute, false come out of the looping control structure. To the next statement. So here we take loop variable with an initial value and we do condition checking with the loop variable. If it is true, then we are going to execute the indented block of code, and finally we are also going to increment or decrement the loop variable. Again, it will go back to condition checking with a new value in the loop variable. If it is true, execute the indented block of code again with increment and decrement operation. So let us try to do this with a small program, Python while loop example1.py. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. Right. So I want to print n natural numbers with squares using while loop. So input, enter any number, convert that into integer and store that in num. So my loop variable initial value I1. So check while 1 less than or equal to 10. Let us say 10 natural numbers. True. So print 1, okay, followed by 1 into 1. Next I plus 1, 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. True. Print 2, 2 into 2, I plus 1, 3. So 3 less than or equal to 10. True. Print 3, 3 into 3, I equal to I plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 less than or equal to 10, false. Come out of the looping control structure and print end of the program. So save this program in your working directory. Come to the command prompt where you have saved this program. So run Python while loop example1.py. So natural numbers with squares. I'll take till 10. So 10 natural numbers with squares. When the value is 11, come out of the loop, end of the program. Once again, 20. Enter any num. So 1 less than or equal to 20. So on till 20 less than or equal to 20. 21, come out of the loop, end of the program. So this is how we are supposed to work with while loop, a looping control structure. And this provides initial value, condition checking, and increment decrement of the counter variable. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.